I got this camera attached to my 5-gallon bucket here. Here I am in Ouray, Colorado. I'm at Dexter Creek. The elevation's pretty high here because I could hardly walk around without just absolutely becoming winded. So I busted out the gold panning equipment, the detector, I even got the sluice box. But what I found is there's no real black sand in this area here, and black sand is what denotes there's gold in the black sand. And it's not nuggets, it's just fine gold. Now I talked to the forest ranger about an hour ago, and I says, hey, is there any gold here in Dexter Creek? And he said, if you spend a month tanning down there, you're going to come up with $20 worth of gold. He says a lot of people have tried and nobody's really come up with anything. So this is really not a gold type of a creek, yeah, but man, it's a bitch. I went up the gorge where this water's coming from. I'm up in the mountains near Ouray, Colorado. I finally found a nice creek that's running here. It's got bedrock and there's all kinds of nooks and crannies for gold, fine gold and nuggets to get lodged into the cracks and crevices. Check out that rock right there. It's green. Looks like a good place to set up my sluice box. Yeah, baby. Let's go do it. Went about a half mile up there. Whoa, was I just tired all the whole way, and coming down was a bitch. That was really hard because I got 2 bad knees, and I'm carrying a bucket full of tools and a backpack and that sluice box. But hey, it's kind of nice out here. Look at it, man. It's beautiful. Tomorrow I'm going to ride the KTM up to Ouray and go through that canyon. Wow, you should see that canyon walls, man. Unreal. I was in my truck and I wanted to stop and take pictures, but there's no place to pull over, so I'm going to go ride the motorcycle up there, and all I got to do is just pull over right next to the guardrail. take you for a quick peek in here, just so you see what kind of lifestyle I'm living. This is a great camper. It's got everything a modern house would have. Everything. You know, I've even got a nice shower, toilet set up, man. Easy to clean, easy maintenance. You know, I mean, this is great. I sit here with my legs out over here in comfort. At night, I get to sleep up here in my cozy little spot and look up through that skylight and see the stars at night. My drinking water. I carry 21 gallons of drinking water only up front. And then plus in here in the camper, it carries 30 gallons of water for doing dishes, flushing toilet, taking shower. And I put this plastic partition in right here. So when I'm cooking, all the smoke goes up and under the hood and it's out. So the camper inside stays nice and clean. It doesn't smell of cooking all the time, which they do if you let it get too far.